Hi guys! Welcome to our YouTube food vlog. Now let's start making the easy creamy avocado ice cream. For the ingredients, we need 5 pieces of fresh avocados. We need 400 ml or 1 can of evaporated milk. 1 can or 400 grams of condensed milk, and lastly, we need 1000 milligrams of whipping cream or heavy cream. For the additional, for our ice cream, this is optional only, we need 150 grams of cashew nuts, and lastly, we need chocolate syrup. Now let's proceed to the procedure on how to make the easy creamy avocado ice cream. For the first step, put all the cashew nuts inside the ziplock plastic. Now use a tenderizer or a bottle or a rolling pin to crush all the peanuts. When all the peanuts is already semi-crushed, transfer the peanuts in a bowl and set aside. For the next step, for the avocados, use a paring knife to slice the avocados into half. Always remember to be careful of using knives. When the avocado is already sliced into half, remove the seed and use a spoon to remove the avocado from its skin. Now do the same procedure to the remaining avocados. Now transfer all the avocados inside the blender. Now add the whole evaporated milk inside the blender with the avocados. Now blend it for 1 to 2 minutes until become a creamy paste. When the avocados is already blended into a creamy paste, now set aside. For the next step, in a bowl, add the whole whipping cream or the heavy cream. Then use a hand mixer in a high speed for 5 to 7 minutes until become creamy. Now add the whole condensed milk. Continue mixing in high speed until become double its size for about 5 to 7 additional minutes. Now use a larger bowl. Transfer the whipping cream mixture and the avocado mixture. Now mix it well until all ingredients are combined. You can use a wire whisk or the hand mixer. If you want to add more color to your ice cream, you can add 1/4 teaspoon of food green coloring. This is optional only. Now add all the cashew nuts to your ice cream. Mix it well. This will give a crunchiness to your ice cream. Now transfer your avocado ice cream in any container. Spread it evenly. For the toppings, put a chocolate syrup in a ziplock plastic. Now zip it or close it, the ziplock plastic. Use a scissor to cut the edge and make a small hole and add the chocolate syrup to your ice cream avocado. You can add the chocolate syrup, depends on what kind of design you like, horizontal, vertical, or a cross line. Just be creative. In this video, after I put the chocolate syrup, I use a barbecue stick to use to additional effects from my avocado ice cream. For the last part, now add more cashew nuts for the toppings of your ice cream avocado. For the additional information, you can use any peanuts or any toppings you like. Now put your avocado ice cream inside the freezer for 3 to 4 hours or overnight. Now let's proceed for the platings. We need 1 piece of a fresh avocado, cut into half, remove the seed and the skin. Then wash the skin of the avocado and then set aside. Now slice the avocados in thin slices. Now arrange the avocados to a clean plate. You can use any design to your platings, just be creative to make your avocado ice cream looks elegant. Now put the skin avocado to the middle. Now scoop for 2 to 3 ice cream and put to your skin avocado. And for the last, add a chocolate syrup and peanuts. And now this is our easy, creamy avocado ice cream. Serve with a smile, enjoy with eating with your family and with your friends. If you want more videos, don't forget to subscribe, like, share these videos, and hit the bell button for you to be notified by the YouTube for our upcoming videos here in our Dave and Val Baba Food Blog YouTube channel. Thank you for watching and God bless. Love, love, love!